Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartwatches, specifically the Hwagol Smart Watch. If you're on the hunt for an affordable yet feature-packed smartwatch, stick around because this might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, let's talk about design. The Hwagol smartwatch boasts a sleek and modern look that can easily transition from workouts to casual outings. With a vibrant 1.91-inch HD touchscreen, it's not just stylish but also user-friendly. You'll appreciate how easy it is to navigate through its features with just a swipe or a tap. Now, let's get into what really makes this smartwatch stand out: its features. The Hwagol smartwatch is equipped with an impressive array of health and fitness tracking capabilities. It tracks your heart rate, monitors your sleep patterns, and even counts your steps throughout the day. Whether you're hitting the gym or just going for a walk, you'll have all the data you need to stay on top of your health goals. One of the standout features is its waterproof capability. With an IP68 rating, this watch can handle splashes and sweat without missing a beat. So whether you're swimming or caught in the rain, you don't have to worry about damaging your device. But that's not all. The Hwagol smartwatch also supports multiple sports modes. Whether you're into running, cycling, or even yoga, it has specific settings to help you track your performance accurately. This makes it a versatile companion for anyone looking to stay active. And let's not forget about battery life. With a long-lasting battery, you can enjoy all these features without constantly worrying about recharging. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Now, if you're someone who loves staying connected on the go, this smartwatch has got you covered too. You can receive notifications for calls, messages, and even social media alerts right on your wrist. This means you can stay in touch without having to pull out your phone every time. In terms of price, the Hwagol smartwatch is incredibly budget-friendly. It delivers high-quality features, typically found in more expensive models, without breaking the bank. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the smartwatch world without making a hefty investment. So there you have it. The Hwagol smartwatch combines style, functionality, and affordability into one amazing package. If you're interested in enhancing your fitness journey and staying connected effortlessly, this could be the smartwatch for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for more details and to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.